What's up, cat daddies? There's Monday. Get up. Get up. I told you. I say it all the time. Most Americans oversleep on Monday because they sleep late on Saturday and Sunday. If you sleep late on Saturday and you sleep the minute you stay in the bed, it's Friday. He mad. Look at him. He mad. Look at him. The little bird mad. He mad. The hawk is over there. The hawk be messing. She be rabbits and shit out there and rats. See the hawk? He big. He look big and dusty, don't he? He must have shut. You mad, ain't you? Yeah, get out of here. They be talking shit. Yeah, hawk. You tell him. He's just sitting there. Yeah, hawk. You tell him. Y'all see him here on the telephone pole. They're gonna go fuck with him. Y'all seen him? Oh, it's the live buffering. Bird trying to make him move. See, but the hawk eat rats. He eat the rats. He might eat a baby raccoon. If he can sneak up on it, he'll get it. Because what he'll do is he'll kill it. He'll kill it with his claws. That's why they be stabbing. Like when they get shit on the ground, they be stabbing. They're like, phew, phew, phew. And then once they kill it, they fly off in the air with it. Because they can't fly off in the air with it while it's alive. Because it might be moving and throw off their balance and drag them down. There was another one. They get ready to fuck with him now. A robin showed up. He left. There goes another one. All these birds coming from out of nowhere. It's like they see him sitting over there. He's just chilling in the cut. He's just quiet. They'll eat a cat too. Kittens. But they gotta get the jump on the cat because the cat will fight them back. Getting cold, shit. Don't laugh. Don't be laughing. I can't see too well. I have my reading glasses on. Gotta hurry up. It's getting cold. It's getting cold. That hawk. Y'all seen that hawk up there? See the hawk? He's still up there. Look. See him on that telephone pole? He's trying to catch the cats. He be over there catching the cats. I mean the mice and shit. They must be just getting off as GPS workers. Oh man, you gonna break? I want the hawk over there. The hawk. What they do is they be looking for. See, look how big he is. They're making it hot. Oh shit, look at him. He's stretching. He like, leave me the fuck alone. But they're making it hot. Now here comes some more birds. They're making it hot for the hawk. I hear baby birds. Yeah, he mad. He left. I see. Environment is getting clean again. You know what? With extremities missing, that lets you know something's wrong with the water. Look how big he is. He's sitting up now. Like when you see frogs, messing with frogs born with 3 legs, or born with 5 legs and 2 heads and shit. That means something's wrong with the water. Something's wrong with the water. Some kind of way amphibians are able to do that. I don't know what. I don't know. Listen, I'm not a scientist, but that just lets you know something's wrong with the environment. And when you see birds like that, that lets you know that the animals are flourishing again. Like you see them just in Harlem sometimes. You see hawks on 125th Street. I used to see them all the time when I was a little kid up in Washington Heights. And they'd be flying over the polo grounds and stuff like that. But we just thought they were regular birds. We didn't know they were hawks. When I got older, I learned about it. Yep. He's still messing with me. They're making it hot, boy. They're making it hot. He ain't even worried about that shit. Look at him. That little bird right there keep fucking with him. Him. He mad. Look at him. He mad, boy. And the hawk is just chilling, just cleaning itself. Like, I ain't worried about them guys. Like, them birds is clowns. You like, them birds is clowns, man. I ain't worried about them birds. I saw where you got the harpy eagle. You should see them shits. Them shits is majestic as hell, and they big. It's a harpy eagle. They eat the monkeys out in the Brazilian rainforest. You got the African monkey eating eagle. Them shits is big. Look them up. A harpy eagle and the African monkey eating eagle. Them shits is big, bigger than that. And what they do is the harpy eagle. They usually be snatching the sloths out the trees. They be snatching them sloths out the trees. Sloths and monkeys. But they like the sloths because the sloths are slower. Them shit's big as hell. Look how big that shit is. Look how big his chest is. That shit is big as hell. Fly bird. I don't see how big he is. All right, y'all, I'm ready to get out of here. I'm getting cold. What y'all talking about? Yeah, that's wildlife. They be over here. Like I told people, them shits be eating, they eat the rats. They eat the possums. They'll even eat a raccoon if they catch it. They'll eat a raccoon if they can get the jump on it. If they can't get the jump on it, then it's too hard of a fight. But if he can sneak up on it and get it and kill it right away, he'll get him. But most prey animals look for the weakest out of the prey. They don't usually get the strongest. They look for the weakest one.